2017 Ford F-150, the 3.5 liter. I got that Ford F-150 XLT, and like I said, it's a 2017 with a 3.5 liter. This is a 4x4. So basically, I'm doing the PCV valve and the hose. You got to take this engine cover off. It's two 10mm nuts right in the beginning. Take those off. Try not to drop them. And then we're going to lift the front of this up and then just kind of pull the back straight out. Be careful not to hit nothing and break a hose or nothing. So here's the PCV hose right here, and then the valve is brown over there on the bottom. I already put this new hose on. It had a oil catcher system in there, but it broke, so I had to get a new one. So I'm gonna show you how to do the hose. Basically, for the hose, if you were to come here on yours, this little hose on the bottom, there's a little notch that you're gonna push with your finger, and it's gonna release this blue lock that's on it, and then you'll be able to slide this back. Sometimes it's a little stubborn. Sometimes you got to kind of give it a little pull. And then same for the other side. I'll show you the little notch. So the hoses have these notches right here, and then you push your thumb, and then it pushes this down like this, and then it makes it so you're able to pull it off. And then you do that on both sides. This one is just towards the bottom. So sorry about that noise in the background, the kids running around. Anyway, so once you get these hoses off, which so on this one, you just push this and then pull it straight up like that, and then that's how you get your hose off. And then this brown part is the PCV valve. So with this, you have to twist it. It was so tight, I kind of had to use pliers, and I just gently twisted it. Don't go crazy, just be super gentle, and then just gently twist it, and then it'll become loose, and then you could just pull it out like that. And then that's your PCV valve. When you put your new one in, you just put it in, and you're gonna twist it towards the right or towards the left, and then it'll go down and kind of sink into place. So here's my old PCV valve. As you can see, it's kind of dirty. Here's my new one. There's some part numbers as well. I'm gonna have links in the description for parts. So this one goes in. You might want to put a little tad bit of oil on the O-ring just to get it lubricated, so when you put this in, it doesn't tear or drag. So you just twist it like that. And then if you need to, use the pliers to just twist it all the way down so it sinks all the way down into place like this. Just do that. Now that that's in and it's tight and solid, we'll put our hose on. This is our hose. As you saw, here's the part number for that. I'm going to link parts in the description if it's on Amazon, hopefully. So check that in the comments too. I'll link it. And then when you put this on, I would put this one on first, on the intake first, and then you just put it down on the top on the PCV valve. That's what worked best for me. Push them in, make sure it clicks in place, and then that's it, guys. You're good. Thanks for watching. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Put your cover back on. Thanks for watching. This new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good.